Hey guys, welcome back. If you're new to this channel, hi, I'm Sophia. Welcome to my channel. Today's video is a blue smoky sultry eye tutorial. I really love this look. It is certainly over the top. It is not for everyone, yes, but you can certainly, I guess, moderate it or certainly modify it to your own taste if you'd like. I was inspired by Candy's look in her confessional on the Real, just gotta check my lashes here, on the Real Housewives of Atlanta. She had this beautiful blue vibrant look and I was like, oh my god, I really have to do this. I personally felt like it needed a little bit more smoke on the edges, but to each his own. I love the look. I hope you guys enjoy watching this tutorial. If you do, or if you already love the look, please go ahead and give this video a like. Leave all your comments in the comment section. Let me know what you think about the look. Let me know if you guys like it or if it's just so extra and you're not about that life, okay? Please don't forget to subscribe. We're trying to get to 1,000 subscribers. For this tutorial, I'll be using 3 palettes. I'm going to be using the Masquerade by Juvia's Place, and I'm also going to be using the 24A Artist Pass by Morphe, and I'll also be using this palette from House of Rira. I'm just going to be using the blue glitter shadow. From this, it has this very pigmented, beautiful blue glitter. If you guys saw my purple glitter eyeshadow tutorial, I think I did that sometime last year. Yeah, I used this palette. The colors are just amazing. Let's just get into the video. As always, I'm going to start by priming my lids with a base. I'm going to be using the PLouis base, and this is Room 0. I've done a couple blue eye tutorials. I'm gonna try and make this one a little bit different, a little bit more vibrant, just like my outfit today, okay? So I'm also gonna be using the Berries palette by Juvia's Place. I'm gonna start by taking this berry shade into my crease. I'm gonna dip in the color further. I want it to be very vibrant, so I'm gonna go into a darker berry shade. I'm gonna be using this, and I'm just gonna take that right into the crease as well, and I'm really just gonna focus here on the ends and on my outer V. I'm gonna go ahead and blend it upwards, and for my transition color, I think I'm gonna use a tiny bit of pink. I don't know if I want pink in this. I'm gonna go into the Masquerade palette by Juvia's Place, and I'm gonna be using this, I guess it's kind of like a berry purple color, and I'm just gonna blend upwards. To cut my crease today, I'll be using the PLouis Brights Basic. This one's a blue one. This one's called Bangin Blue. Okay, I think I'm done fighting with this cut crease. I'm gonna go into the same Masquerade palette and I'm gonna be applying Dahlia. Now this blue is bright, it's beautiful. I swatched it on my hands. Look at it here. It looks so good. It's just so vibrant. I can't wait. Ooh, blinding. This on its own is pretty vibrant. It is pretty out there. It is perfect for a day like this. It is gloomy and dark and rainy outside. We're pretty much having a blue day, so this is perfect. But just to kind of add a little bit of extra spice, kick it up a notch, I'm going to go into the House of Rira palette, and I'm going to be using the blue glitter I told you guys about, this one. What I love most about this glitter shadows is you don't need a base or a glitter glue. You can just rub it on, and it pretty much just applies. No, I think it's a little harder today just because I'm applying it on top of an eyeshadow. So what I'm going to do is spritz my brush. I'm going to use my Mario Badescu setting spray. It's crazy. I just hyped it and now it's like, nope, not today. Okay, that should give it some moisture, I guess. And I'm going to pack it on. There we go. That works better. next I'm gonna apply a little bit of black just to my outer V. I'm gonna be using the black from the Saharan palette by Juvia's Place. Outer V, and I'm just gonna lightly take that into the crease as well. And I just put it on there, kind of like an eyeliner. I'm gonna go back to that glitter and just make sure it's, you know, sitting down nicely. It seems to be misbehaving today. The one day I hyped it. Can you imagine that? Okay, and I'm just gonna go back in and blend the black. I'm just gonna press on that glitter, make sure it's sitting nice and tight. I put on some lashes. These are the Ardell Wispy lashes, the 5-pack lashes. But I pretty much had to triple up the lashes to kind of get a little bit of volume going on here. We're gonna quickly move on to face and quickly finish that. I love how this eyes turned out. This is like, I think this is the best blue smoky eye I have done, you know, or the best blue glitter smoky eye that I have done in a while. Okay, I'm gonna quickly apply my foundation. I use the Maybelline Super Stay Foundation. I'm in shade 356. To contour my face, I'll be using my Juvia's Place concealer. This one's shade number 9. And for lighter concealers, I'll be using my Maybelline Fit Me concealers. I'm going to be mixing shade 30 and 25 to get the right, you know, shade for my under eyes. Now to set my face, I'll be using my Juvia's Place setting powder in Kalahari. Now before I apply blush and highlighter, I'm just gonna quickly finish up my eyes. I really love the way it's looking. It's very sultry, so I'm thinking of applying a black liner just to, you know, give it a little more spice. Yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna go into my Muffy gel liner in Jet. I'm just gonna line my waterline. Okay. My eyes are tearing for dear life. Now you can pretty much stop here, but I always like to apply a little bit of color to my bottom lash. So I'm gonna go back to the same Dahlia from the Masquerade palette, and I'm just gonna tap that underneath. I usually prime first, but I think it's okay to not prime today because it's really bright. I know I love bright, vibrant looks, but honey, this is see the future kind of bright already, so just a little bit of blue is really all I guess I need for today. I'm just gonna apply the brown here, Burkina, just a little bit, and I'm just gonna blend that blue under my eyes. Now for my inner tear duct, I'm gonna be applying Zola. It's kind of a blue-green eyeshadow, and I feel like it'll really make this look pop, so just a little bit of that to my inner tear duct. I did go in with some mascara just to my bottom lashes. I have an idea, but I don't want to move. Okay, for blush, I'm going to be using my BH Cosmetics Nude Blush Palette. And I'm just going to be using a couple blushes here, these two, and a little bit of that. Okay, and I'm going to try to apply a considerable amount of blush. Let us do the same to you. I gotta glue my lace front down at some point because it keeps jumping. I don't know where it's going, but it is going. I feel like I'm getting to a place or to a point where I'm not scared of color. I can pretty much pack it on and still have it looking good. And I feel like that's progress because little old me would never apply this much blush. Okay, I'm gonna keep it pretty simple for highlighter and just use my Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter. Now, lastly, lipstick. I'm gonna keep it real simple. We're just gonna do a quick nude lip. I'm gonna be using my favorite pencil, the MAC Chestnut pencil. I feel like I need to purchase some more lip pencils because I use this in my video all the time. You guys are probably sick and tired of hearing it. And then for lipstick, I'm gonna be using my ColourPop Slow Down lipstick. I think I want a little bit of gloss, so I'm gonna apply a tiny bit of my MAC lip gloss. Ooh. Okay guys, so that's it for today's look. Thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate all of you. If you liked this video or if you got something from this video, don't forget to give this video a like. And yeah, if you haven't subscribed, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We're almost at 1K, almost. Well, not really almost, but the goal is 1K. So if you aren't already subscribed, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join the fam, okay? I will catch you guys in my next video. See you guys tomorrow. Bye.